Hello, guys, welcome to my channel Unique Tech. Velvet 5G stable Android 11 update starts rolling out. Reports the update is likely to bring usual Android 11 features to the LG Velvet 5G such as conversation bubbles. Highlights LG Velvet 5G Android 11 update reportedly rolling out in South Korea. The stable Android 11 update is said to weigh around 2.2 GB. The update for LG Velvet 5G has software version G900N2C. LG Velvet 5G is receiving the stable Android 11 update, as per reports. The Android 11 beta build for the smartphone was released last month and the stable one seems to be rolling out now in South Korea. However, it is likely that the update will expand to more regions soon. It is expected to bring usual Android 11 features to the LG Velvet 5G, such as conversation bubbles. It is also likely to carry the January 2021 Android security patch. The stable Android 11 update for LG Velvet 5G has software version G900N2C, as per a report by GSM Arena. The update is said to weigh around 2.2 GB. It is currently rolling out for LG Velvet phones in South Korea with model number LMG900N. However, as mentioned, it is likely to expand to other markets soon as well. LG Velvet 5G users in South Korea have also posted screenshots of the stable Android 11 update on Reddit, confirming that LG had started rolling out the update. The stable update is expected to bring usual Android 11 features, including screen recording, conversation bubbles, improved media controls, and one-time permission improvements among other privacy upgrades. It is also likely that the update will also bring the January 2021 Android security patch to the LG Velvet 5G. If you have an eligible LG Velvet 5G phone, you will likely get a notification when the update is ready for your phone. You can also check for it manually by heading to Settings, System, Update Center. For more videos in English and Hindi, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon and never miss any update from Unique Tech.